Alright, what's going on? So, I'm going to talk about the min and max delta. I'm going to talk about the what I call the volume delta a little bit as well. But where I get these from is the numerous bars calculated data study. So, I will show you here in Sierra chart. Where is it? Here we go. Delta data. Just having a brain fart for a second. Turn that crap off. I ain't learned nothing out of here. Yeah, so I have the ask volume, bid volume differences, SG1, bar delta is what I have the initials for. That's your maximum ask volume, bid volume difference. Your minimum ask volume, bid volume difference. Cumulative sum of ask volume, bid volume differences. And then total volume. Yeah, that was common sense. Alright, so specifically wanted to point out down here, I'm kind of going to go over this, but right here, good indication that there was a play to be made here. Now, some people have called this stop run, that's what I used to call them, but I've recently found out that this is what we call a market order, and you can see these on the DOM if you pay attention to it, but that's a whole other story. But you can see this market order takes place. We're looking to create a position below and then fill the volume where the market order took place. When this happens, grab the stops, right? The stop run, grab the position below. And we'll start moving the market up. It went sideways a little bit and then ultimately down and then alright, but so let's kind of talk about this for a second. So min and max is the high and low extremes of the bar delta. A lot of times, if it's a how to say, a lot of times the bar delta will line up with either the min or the max, or sometimes it won't. So it's not. Don't think it's a pattern with them lining up, or because I have not noticed anything like that. But so we'll talk about uh, coming into this market order now. So right here at the top, you guys have absorption shown clear as day on the bid ask differences bars. There's your absorption 0162 at the top, project right below. This is my 1-day VWAP. So we have at the tip with the absorption below there a bar delta of closing at 24. So we can see that a max of 570 and a minimum of 1. So this bar right here was super bullish, but yet they absorbed the top and didn't let price go anymore. And then it closed at a 24, so it closed damn near at the minimum delta that it had for that bar. which you can see it went down, popped right back up, and closed. Alright, so we enter this next bar, next bar, next bar. Good negative delta, your max, right? The positive, so how positive did it get? The first one single, double digits. And, that's kind of to be expected after you had a strong bar like this that failed, 570. Now we're at 69, with a min now of negative 572. So damn near the same, 1,002 away from this max. Now we are at this min. But you can see the 69 higher than the 64. So what is this showing me right here? That there's more power to the downside than there is the upside, and this divergence and this absorption right here. Also, this absorption right here is showing me that price really isn't going to go up. And again, VWAP below VWAP again, also telling me price is not going to go up. So we see a continuation of negative delta. We have our pullback bar right here, strong little buy up. Reject right here at the 9 EMA, right below the EU close. You can see this is just a fake out. They give your absorbing sellers right there at the bottom of the bar. 204 to 0. Here we go. Right, 1377 delta. The max, the min. So we were definitely strong. Here we go, the next. Alright, we're rejecting at the 9 EMA. No real absorption here. Max 254. Well, we just went from 1377, 1633 to a max of 234. Well, we just lost all that strength. And it rejected at the 9 EMA. Okay, so here we go. The minimum, negative 856, which is what the bar closed at. So again, went down 204. Bam, look at that absorption, 134.0 at this bar. And it keeps moving down. Now you have major absorption showing on here, and the divergence. Your max delta 1710. Minimum's negative 650. So they had tried to pull this up, but failed. And then you can see what we're doing right here on unfinished auctions, market order. Alright, strong negative delta.